everybody. It's February 19th. I'm here in the lab running a sample of, it's a biochar mixture I make with worm castings, and has some alfalfa meal in it and different things. But from the worm castings, which are, just exposed to lots of elements, because they're not sealed, so you get flies and things that come in and interact. But it's always interesting to see these little mites, these decomposers. They shred organic matter. And if we can zoom in here a little bit, we're going to try. You can see inside this guy, he's got his own bacteria. So you can see him right in here. You see things moving around inside of his stomach. So he's got his own gut biome, breaking things down. He chews it into smaller pieces. So this is part of how nutrient cycles in our soil. And so these guys are, a macro or a micro orthropod. I guess it would be a micro orthropod. They're a shredder. They just help chew organic matter up and break it down to smaller pieces so bacteria and fungi can do their job. But that's how we cycle nutrients from things that are decomposing. Anyway, wanted to share. Hope you guys are staying warm. We'll talk to you soon.